Ito yung tagpuan. Kilalang mural. Tagpuan. Wow. Look at that.
Ayun o, alam mo yun o, libreng park o. Ayun o, mga libreng park pala dito. Lahat pa dyan tayo nag-park.
So, we're here at PTC. Ito yung pinaka-iconic sa lahat ng intersection dito dahil sa 3D na
Tao.
3D.
Ako walang sound.
Eh, di makaano naman siya, you know. Wow. So, para kami nasa ibang bansa today. Oh, dito ating kunang kitang picture dito sa Ottawa. It's Sunday.
Eh, wait lang. Nabali na daw. Doon. Lawit tayo doon.
Oh, wait lang. Picture muna tayo dito. Ito eh. Ito yun.
What are you doing?
Just go straight. Then we're gonna cross there.
Tayo.
Dito tayo magpapaabot ng ulan. Sana sino. Hindi naman yan siya talagang totally babagsak. So hindi na kami nag mover. Kasi mas mahal pa siya sa taxi. It's better na to walk. Alright, so we're here at the corner of the Burgos, the infamous.
Wow! Meaning no?
Actually, you can use infamous for saying something is popular, famous because has a negative note. Oh, tana, dinala namin dito si si Luna, si Max. Oh, wow. Kita ko rin siya in person. Nag-open ata yung... Yes, pwede.
Hindi bawal.
Pwede. Kaya lang, nilagyan lang nila ng dati pwede. Kasi sita ba? Walang sita pa, sok.
Hindi no, pag umuulan.
Kaya marami kasing gumukha ng picture. So, we're caught up in the rain just here at Burgos Circle. Burgos. Bumaksak na rin yung ulan. It's good thing that we arrived in BGC just in time. Wow. So, we are at the corner of Forbes Town. It's raining man. So we just let the rain pass. So we are now at Forbes Town. Oh, very straight. Where to? To the right. So we're heading to more murals. Art today.
Dala nila yung power bank.
Kailangan pala niya mag-charge.
Makain muna daw sila.
Kami nga naghahanap ng kakainan din. Sakit naman sa puso yung pinapatugtog natin. Sumiyakap mo't halika. Wala na akong space for sadness. I let go of that. Check. Here, we saw one mural here on this side. Oh, very good. Am I still recording? There, over there, there's mural. There. Look siya. Oo kasi iconic yan eh.
Jaywalk.
Oh, okay. So there. Wow, tingnan nyo naman. Oh. BGC. So we're here at BGC. Yes. Street. Cross. There. Mukhang mapapabili na talaga ako ng this is one of I think the number one the most iconic na mural kasi siya ata ang pinakamalaki. Bago man ang malugan. Wow. Ngayon pala meron na siyang parang basketball court.
Sa uptown siguro sila nag-park.
Malamang.
Shines bright, it will set the night on fire. No, we don't need a destination, we let the wind guide aspiration. Windows down, feel the breeze as we drive through the city streets, we're feeling free. Leave behind the stress and the worries. This is our sweet escape, no need to hurry. We're chasing dreams with no regrets, breaking out of the ordinary.